Hey, good evening and welcome to the next in the series of videos on OpenBOM review, comments, and tasks. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the contextualization of comments and tasks in OpenBOM. I'm Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM, and I've gone to the activity dashboard, and I'm going to do this by just sort of demonstrating the behavior of a couple of comments and tasks. So I'm going to start with one here that Jenny has assigned to me. I'm going to follow this over. And Jenny is saying to me in a comment which she's assigned to me as a task, she's saying, "Hey, look, Steve, we also need to send the drawing for this over to Abe, and I need to have it by December 23rd." And I replied, in a separate window, "Hey, look, I will get that over to him before stand-ups tomorrow." What is important is that that comment is contextual to that part number and this. And that property. You can see there doesn't even have to be any data there. It's just, hey, look, Steve, you're missing the drawing. Get it before stand-ups tomorrow. Absolutely. Let's take a look at another one. Here's another one that I wrote and or that Abe has assigned to me about a vendor. Who are we buying this from? Let's take a look here. Again, we're going to focus on the part number, the property. So in other words, this particular item here, it's set to in-house. And Abe is asking me, hey, look, aren't we buying this? Or I'm asking, hey, aren't we buying this? And Abe is saying, no, we're building the first 10 and then we'll switch to a supplier. Likewise, for cost, I'm asking Jenny about the cost. She's saying, hey, look, Steve, this is the correct price. So it's important to note that in this bill of materials, every one of these items and these comments are tied to a particular property and they're contextual within this BOM. So that is OpenBOM review, tasks and comments, contextual behavior. Always love to hear from you some more at support@openbom.com.